What attracted me to NTI is the affordability of the classes and the flexibility of the classes, and how easy it is to be accessible to like tutoring and the teacher, and the hands-on experience that you have in the classroom, and collaborations with other students, and the mentorship that you have with the teacher, the professor. So yeah, that's what attracted me to NTI. My experience at NTI has been great. I've been here for a year. Everyone here in the program has been very like helpful, and it's been very successful for me and growing my knowledge and my skill sets. Um, Currently, I work as a NOC technician at Atomic Data, which NTI helped me be prepared for my job interview, and using my skill sets every day at work, and it helped me thrive in my field. What I would recommend anyone that's interested, that wants to be learn about IT, that wants to grow their skill sets, to join NTI program. And even if you're like a beginner who doesn't know anything, it would be like a great opportunity for you to like start fresh and learn on your own, and have the mentors and the tutors that you need, and you'll be able to have a hands-on experience with the equipments and like the routers and switches and devices that are in the classrooms.